Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omelet bread toast. First, gather your ingredients: 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and seasonings like salt and pepper. Crack the eggs into a shallow bowl and whisk them well with a fork until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Then, stir in a small pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious breakfast. Now, take 1 slice of bread and fully immerse it into the egg mixture, ensuring both sides are completely coated. Let any excess drip off. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of butter or cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, carefully place the egg-soaked bread into it. Repeat with the second slice if your pan is large enough. Cook each side of the bread for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it turns a beautiful golden brown and looks slightly crispy. Use a spatula to gently flip the toast to ensure even cooking on both sides. You want a nice, firm texture. Once both sides are perfectly cooked, remove the omelet bread toast from the pan. Your delicious omelet bread toast is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it plain, or add a sprinkle of fresh herbs like chives, or even a little grated cheese for extra flavor. This quick and satisfying meal is perfect for any time of day, especially busy mornings. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Omelet water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.